In this tutorial, we're going to try to have a look at how we can create a duck over multiple regions. Unfortunately, at the moment, it's not as straightforward as it will be, but there is a way around it. What you probably have been trying to do is drag a selection like this and then pulling that down. As you can see, that doesn't work. So what we'd like to do instead is, this is the regions that we would like to have underneath something. So I'm just going to drag them down like this. Now to create the slope down to this part here, we can just create a break here, and whilst holding shift we can drag this fade handle here. And we can do the same at the other end. Create a split here, hold down shift, drag the handle down.
The evil needle.
If I would like to adjust the fade here, I can just drag it out like so, or the other way.
The evil needle.
So that is how you, at the moment, create a duck over multiple regions.